Now we want to lubricate the deck to make sure it's done before we install it back on the machine. To do this, we'll need a 8mm socket with a ratchet. What we want to do is remove this shield so we can access the grease fitting on this cutting spindle. Now we want to locate our grease fittings. In this case, it's at the back side of the spindle. We want to put a grease gun on it. Different things, you determine the amount of grease on different items by the way they're designed. In this case, the grease will come out when it's full. You just want to watch, and it's coming out now. Then we'll want to look for other grease fittings. Obviously, if one spindle has it, all three will. We'll want to grease this one in the center, and then our last one on the other blade. After we've greased the machine, we'll want to put our shield back on, using the hardware we just removed and the same 8mm socket. Now that we've got our deck lubricated, the blade sharpened and it cleaned out from under, we want to reinstall the deck in the reverse procedures of the steps we took to remove it. And then the underside of our tractor will be serviced.